Alright, so let's put our pencils down and we're going to share some of our brainstorming ideas on the board. So as we know, natural resources, something in nature used by people. So I would like to hear some of your examples. Okay, lots of hands. Samira, what did you put down? Great. Michaela? Cotton, perfect. Alright. Mason?
Trees.
Trees, awesome. Felicity?
Water.
Water, perfect. Ollie?
Plants.
I think the grass will go along with plants, but I'll put it up here too. Kylie?
Animals.
Vivian?
Land.
Like soil. Nelson?
Home.
So homes, maybe think a little bigger on that. So what exactly is your home made of that is from nature? Maybe the material of a door in your home, what would that be made of?
Big.
Sticks, which are wood, which goes all the way back to the tree outside in nature. Mm-hmm. So a lot of your house could be made of plants and natural resources around you. Michaela, did you have another?
Rocks/stones.
Rocks and stones. Okay. Alright, Emma?
Sap.
Sap. This comes from the trees, actually. Emma? Tools. Let's think about what are some tools made out of, do you think? Wood and some types of maybe metal, right? Which will also come from nature. Megan?
We use clay.
Clay, perfect. That's in the ground as well with the soil and rocks. Alright, Nelson?
Clothes.
Clothes, which remember we put down cotton, which is what a lot of our clothes are made out of. So that goes all the way back. And cotton is a plant. So you're kind of seeing how all of these natural resources are related to all of the clothes we wear, the food we eat, where we live, and all of this on the board. So great brainstorming, boys and girls. So we're gonna jump right into the book that's sitting on your desk, and I'd like everyone to take out a highlighter, please. And we will be reading through. I would like you to highlight any bold terms in here, any definitions that you think are important. and then we'll finish up with an exit activity after that. Okay, so the front of the book is called What We're Learning About Natural Resources. All right, flip to page 1, please. All right, and I'll begin. What are natural resources? Natural resources are things found in nature that can be used by people. Sunlight, air, water, animals, plants, soil, minerals, and fossil fuels are all natural resources. Natural resources help people stay alive and help to make life better. Natural resources are found throughout the world. Some places have rich soil, while others have minerals like diamonds. Countries with lots of natural resources are usually wealthy, and they can sell or trade their natural resources to countries that need them. Can anyone think of a country that might be rich in natural resources and trades their goods to the US maybe? Emma?
California.
California is actually still in the US, but the US has some parts that are rich in natural resources, such as maybe like Ohio. We have a lot of farmlands and lands that we can sell our goods to, our natural resources to other states. But think of maybe a country that has a lot of lands, a lot of rich soil, a lot of natural resources. Megan?
England.
England, maybe? Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, there's a lot of, anywhere that has, I'm thinking of big country that we got a lot of goods in. Close.
Russia.
Emma?
Russia.
Russia has a lot of goods, but the main one. Emma?
In Africa.
Close, we do, I mean, a lot of crops are from Africa. Megan?
Japan.
Closer. China, yes. So a lot of our, China has a lot of natural resources from just plants, land there, and processing goods that they trade to the US, along with a bunch of other countries. But
Texas.
Texas is great for farming as well, but it's still in the US. We were just thinking about other countries. In the US. All right, flipping to page 2. Living resources. Natural resources can be grouped into 2 categories, living and non-living. Living natural resources are resources that are alive. Trees, plants, and animals are all living resources. Animals are caught and plants are grown for food. These natural resources help people stay alive. Trees are cut down to provide people with homes, furniture, and paper. People need these things but also use them to make life better. Living resources can die and reproduce. All right, page 3. On to non-living resources. So a lot of what we thought of up here was living resources, plants and animals, natural things in nature, but we're gonna learn about some non-living resources. If a natural resource is not living, it is a non-living resource. Non-living resources are resources that are not alive. Resources like the soil, sun, water, air, and minerals, such as gold, silver, iron, and copper, are all non-living resources. Some non-living resources like coal and petroleum were once part of a living thing. Non-living resources do not die. They remain until they are used or destroyed. So an example of a non-living resource right now would be oil. We have a lot of oil everywhere in our environment, and it's causing a lot of pollution. It's leaking into oceans, but people need the oil for gasoline for cars, and that's an example of a non-living resource. Anything else we can think of? I know we highlighted some in here. What are some things we highlighted on this page, Nicola?